Hello students. Today now you have to study abscisic acid. It is one of the plant hormone, and this plant hormone, it is a natural plant hormone which inhibits the growth of the plant. So this is known as a abscisic acid. Now the two scientists about the history of this abscisic acid. Now the Kans and the Adicol. These are the two scientists observed that the shedding of cotton balls was due to chemical substance abscission first and abscission second. So now here this shedding of cotton balls means premature falling of the cotton balls, that is known as the shedding of cotton balls was due to chemical substance that is present there. So now it is known as the abscission first and the second. Then another scientist the warning also the isolated a substance from the bud of the acer. Acer means it is the genus of the tree or the shrub, mostly found in the Asia or in the Europe countries. Now the acid that induced the bud dormancy and named it a dormine. Mostly now the abscisic acid that is responsible to induce the bud dormancy and the seed dormancy also, inhibit the growth. So that's why that is known as a dormine. And these two identical substances common were given the name abscisic acid. Now the abscission and the dormine commonly called the abscisic acid. Then about the physiological effect and application of the abscisic acid. Now first it promotes the abscission of the leaves. We already studied in the abscission, already studied in the ethylene also. In the ethylene, that is also the one of the most gaseous hormone. Abscission of leaves and induced dormancy in many plants. म्हणजे डॉर्मन्सी बऱ्याच प्लांट्स मध्ये बड डॉर्मन्सी आणि सीड डॉर्मन्सी सुद्धा होऊ शकते, इंड्यूस द डॉर्मन्सी अँड अनदर द ॲब्सिशन ऑफ द लीव्स, द फॉलिंग ऑफ द premature leaves which also the takes place there. So now it promotes the abscission of leaves and induced dormancy in a many plants. Now it accelerates the senescence, aging of the leaves, aging of the flower and the fruits also taken place by this hormone. It is the abscisic acid. It accelerates the senescence of leaves, aging of leaves, flower and fruits. Another, the third type of this, it inhibit and delay the cell division. बरेचदा रिटार्डेड ग्रोथ रिटार्डेड हार्मोन असल्यामुळे नाव इनिबिट्स अँड डिले द सेल डिव्हिजन, इनिबिट करतो किंवा ती उशिरा करतो सेल डिव्हिजन अँड सेल इनलार्जमेंट and suppress the cambium activity. So now this cambium activity, the vascular cambium which is present in between the xylem and phloem and which contains the meristematic tissue and they are able to divide again and again. So due to the presence of this abscisic acid, now in that period, now the abscisic also suppress the activity of the cambium also. Then it plays important role in the closing of stomata to check the transpiration. In a drought condition also, this abscisic acid play an important role in that because it is a stress hormone and it plays important role in closing of stomata. It flows the flow of molecules, the potassium molecules in the guard cells and that's why the closing of the stomata takes place there. So now here this closing of the stomata to check the transpiration, this also the important role of the abscisic acid. Another, it overcomes the stress by inducing dormancy, inhibiting growth and promoting abscission under stress conditions like drought, flood and the mineral deficiency. बरेचदा ड्राउट म्हणजे दुष्काळामध्ये, पुरामध्ये आणि मिनरल डिफिशियन्सीज त्या प्लांट मध्ये असेल तर ती एक स्ट्रेस कंडिशन त्या प्लांट मध्ये डेव्हलप होते. तर अशा वेळेस ते प्लांट डेड न होण्यासाठी म्हणून हे हॉर्मोन प्रयत्न करतं. इट ओव्हरकम स्ट्रेस, जो काही स्ट्रेस डेव्हलप झालेला आहे त्या प्लांट सेल्स मध्ये ते ओव्हरकम केले जातं बाय इंड्युसिंग डॉर्मन्सी. डॉर्मन्सी बड डॉर्मन्सी होतं त्याच्यामध्ये, इनहिबिटिंग द ग्रोथ takes place होत नाही and promoting the abscission under the stress condition like the drought, flood and the mineral deficiency. it helps the plant to bear such a adverse climatic condition. Due to the presence of this abscisic acid, this is also known as the stress hormone, which also develop such a type of the efficiency to the plants to bear such a adverse environmental conditions. So these are the physiological effect and the application of the abscisic acid. Followed about